So today we're going to be painting some calipers on the Snow White S550, doing some more work on that, just a few cosmetic things. So I ordered this G2 paint system off of Amazon and it came in, so we're going to give it a try. It's I got white to go with the car, so we're going to see what it looks like and how good it lasts. The kit that I got is the G2 brake caliper paint system set. Comes with everything you need to paint your calipers up pretty nice. I'll put a link down below. The first step in this brake caliper paint system is to use some brake cleaner and clean off your calipers. Pretty simple, just spray it on. I already hit it one time, so I'm not gonna do it a whole lot more. Let it dry for a little bit. While you're waiting for your calipers to dry from the brake cleaner, open up your can of paint and use the hardener that was supplied in the kit. Dump it in and stir it up real good and let it set for about 5 minutes until it starts to react. By then your caliper should be dry and your paint's ready to paint on. So after the hardener reacts with the paint, after about 5 to 10 minutes or so, you can take and start, brush came with the kit, you can start painting the calipers. Here, this is my second coat that I put on now. For this particular time, I did not take the calipers off. I do recommend doing it though to get some spots that are kind of hard to get while they're still attached. But overall, probably gonna need at least 2 coats and possibly even a third, really. So if you're thinking about painting your calipers and caliper brackets while still on the car, this is the result you'll get. And you can see like this area right here and a little bit of this right here that it hasn't been painted if you paint it on the car. These two were painted on the car to show you what they would look like. These two were painted off the car. So it looks a lot better, obviously, if you take them off, take the time and take them off and paint them off the car. You'll have a much better result. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something about the G2 system and painting calipers. It turned out really good. I'm happy with it, and hopefully it lasts a long time.
A set of wings will die when you hit the bottom. Never pray to God, but never too late to try it. Shots fired, Allen Iverson in the league. They say I ball hog and I'm not a part of the team. Breadwinner with these winners built the regime. Taliban, weapon in hand, kill everything. Amphetamines alter the state of a better means. I'm beautiful, but known for the dope like Mary Jean. Don't act like you don't know. Know what I came for.